In this video, I'll navigate you through the step-by-step process of how to follow someone on Roblox. If this guide helps you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Following someone on Roblox allows you to easily see their updates, game activities, and creations. It helps you stay connected with their in-game actions and achievements. To begin following someone on Roblox, open the Roblox homepage on your laptop or computer. At the top of the page, you will notice a search box located in the panel. If you know the username of the person you wish to follow, simply type it into the search box and press Enter. After the search results appear, look through them to find the person you're looking for. You can identify them by their profile picture or display icon. Once you find the correct person, click on their profile icon to access their page. On their profile page, you will be able to see their total number of friends and followers, which gives you an idea of their social activity on Roblox. In the top right corner of the page, you will see a three-dot button. Clicking on this button will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, select the Follow option. By clicking on it, you will begin following that person, which means their updates and activities may appear in your feed. If you're curious about who you're following, it's easy to check. Return to the home page and look to the left-hand side panel. There, you will find the Friends option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the My Friends page. On this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Following tab. Here you'll find a list of everyone you are currently following on Roblox. Now you know how to follow someone and manage your following list on Roblox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.